Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Dr. by the way, and in this video I'm going to be helping you figure out how to prepare avocado toast by yourself. So the ingredients you need is whole wheat bread. You can choose whatever bread you prefer. I personally like wheat bread because it's a lot more healthier. And then you need avocado or pear. You need boiled eggs. You need salt, cinnamon, turmeric, nutmeg, and then cayenne pepper powder. Now with the spices, it's optional. You can decide to take it out. I personally add them to give it a little more spice and make it a lot more healthier, especially with the cinnamon and then the turmeric. But as I said, it's optional. Now with the recipe itself, what you do is that you slice your bread obviously, and then you peel and chop your pear into small cubes, and then you put them in a bowl as I've done, and then you mash them with a spoon, a fork, whatever. You just mash them. After you are done mashing the pear, you add your spices, you mix it all together, and then you spread the mixture on top of your bread. When you spread the mixture, then you slice the boiled eggs that you've already cooked. I cooked mine off camera obviously to save us a little more time. And then you place the eggs on the bread. You sprinkle a little bit more spice, the pepper, the salt on top of it, and then you're good to go. It's very healthy. It's very easy. I think it's something we've been doing since we were kids, but I just add a little bit of spice to it to make it a lot more healthy. Thank you very much for watching, by the way. If you like this video, I hope you comment, you share, and you subscribe. I'm going to see you in my next video. Thank you. Bye guys.